Hey guys, I just want to give you a really quick overview of the new Facebook Ad Designer tool. We're going to have a bunch of videos that to show you more advanced things that you can do with this tools and really cool stuff that will help you really get the most out of your Facebook ads. But for now, I just want to give you a really quick overview so we can start using the tool. So basically here we have the work canvas. This is where you'll design your ad, and these are previews so you can see how it will actually look not just in the news feed but on other Facebook locations. The quickest thing you might want to do is, if you just want to use one image, you can just click here, upload image, and choose whatever image you'd like to use. And there you go. And you can move it around, you can scale, you can rotate, whatever. And then you can use this button to update the previews and see how it will look. And then the next thing you might want to do is either download the image in whatever size, or click this button right here and download all the sizes in a zip format. Or you can use create variations, and again, if you use the drop down, you can choose to create variations for just one of the sizes if you know what size you're going to use. And then you get a bunch of variations that will increase the CTR you get on Facebook, thus lowering your CPC cost. Once you created variations, you can create even more variations. The reason we did a bunch of basic variations, which are really quick to generate, and then if you hit this button, it will take you just a little bit more time, maybe half a minute more, but it'll create more variations that are really cool. Then of course you can download everything in a zip file, or you can just save each image or just the images you'd like separately, or just drag them to your desktop if you're on a Mac. Obviously, some more cool things that you can do is you can use all sorts of graphics. As you can see, the stuff that you upload will appear here, and you can use more instances of the same graphic. And if you want to get rid of something from the canvas, you have this trash can icon here, and you have some libraries here and more things that you can use. Really cool stuff, and we keep updating with more icons and stuff that you can check out, arrows and stuff like that. You have a bunch of effects that you can use. This is not a good example because the background is black here, but if it was white, you have an option to remove it, and then you'll just have Elmo in this case, or you can blur things, add a bunch of cool effects, and so on. You have a bunch of different backgrounds you can use. So let's just get rid of everything from the canvas so you can see the backgrounds. Really cool things. And obviously you have you can add text instances. And you'll notice that as soon as you add text, we'll show you exactly how much % of the image is covered by text, which is really important because Facebook will only allow 20% of your image to be text in order to prove your ad. So it's important that you'll notice this. Once you get over 20%, it gets red. Obviously, you can scale the text, and we'll show you that the percentage was changed. And if you add more text, you'll notice that the tool will calculate the added text as well. The calculation, it's important to note, the calculation that we do is not exactly the same as the calculation Facebook does, so it might not be exactly the same. You might want to stay just under maybe 18% just in case. And I think this is the last thing you need to know. You can save your canvas and then load it up later and keep working on or changing your ads with you can just open the file here, and obviously you can save your images, and you have an undo button here and a redo and a bunch of other options like sending graphics and elements to the front or to the back, like that. And you can activate the drawing option and draw things and so on. I think that's basically it. If you need any help, contact us. We'll have a bunch of other videos to show you other really cool things that you can do with this tool. And that's basically it. Have a great time using it.